Hi, this is Andy from FeedOtter. Today I'm going to walk through how to create an HTML newsletter full of website content in just a fraction of the time that you would normally take building an email manually. In this example, we're going to show you how it works directly with HubSpot so that emails you create in FeedOtter are able to be instantly emailed with your familiar HubSpot emailing interface. Let's get started. Navigate to the curated newsletter builder inside FeedOtter and click New Newsletter. I've completed this step already, but the initial setup consists of selecting an email template. You can use the built-in templates with FeedOtter or supply your own template. Also, you need to complete the standard email fields: from name, from email, subject line. These defaults will populate on all of the future issues of your newsletter. In this case, I'm using one of FeedOtter's built-in templates. I've uploaded the HubSpot logo and I've defined 3 sections, one for featured posts, a section that shows 3 posts from the sales blog, and 4 more posts that are going to be my editor's picks. Each one of these areas are going to be filled with content from my website, and I'm going to use FeedOtter to do that in a fraction of the time that it would normally take to copy and paste images, titles, and descriptions into an email. Not to mention reducing errors and testing. Let's create our first issue. The magic of FeedOtter is all about the content selection. Here, we're going to add content to our newsletter by clicking the Add Content button. We select from various content sources. These content sources are defined by you and represent different sources of content across the web. This can be on your website or other people's websites or YouTube channels or podcasts. Here, I've added in several sources representing HubSpot's service content, their sales blog feed, and their marketing blog feed. You'll also see from previous demos, I have YouTube feeds and other various feeds and WordPress sites. Let's add a featured post. To do this, I'm going to select the marketing feed and select the perfect post to drop into that featured spot. You will see that the email populates with the post I selected. Next, I'm going to fill in the 3 from the sales blog posts. So I'm going to change my source to the sales feed, and I'm going to cherry pick the perfect 3 posts for that section. I can easily rearrange the order of these posts by dragging and dropping the posts in the FeedOtter interface. I can also tweak these posts by clicking on the little pencil key, and you can make changes to either the CTA, the title, or the actual content or image. Just like that, we've filled in the sales section. Let's move to the editor's choice section down at the bottom. For this, I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to grab 2 posts from the service feed. But now I'd like to add several posts from the HubSpot website. HubSpot has lots of good ebooks on their website, so I've navigated out to HubSpot's website and found a landing page that has a download offer for an ebook. I'm going to use a built-in FeedOtter feature called the bookmark. It allows you to drag a small bookmark to your web browser's bar, and then clicking it will bookmark any web page and make it available for use in FeedOtter-based newsletters. Here you can see we've bookmarked the ebook that we're on, and we're just going to tweak it a little bit, clean up the title, and we're also going to change the image. This isn't quite the image we want, so we can easily scroll through all of the different images that are found on this page quickly and easily. Let's take that, looks great, and we could tweak the description if we wanted to. We'll leave it here. Let's go out and do the same thing on another ebook. And that looks great. Let's bookmark that one as well. When we return to the FeedOtter tab, we will go to the content queue source. And here is where you're going to see the posts that are bookmarked. You can see the 2 ebook posts that I just bookmarked. And as I select those, you will see they are added to the email down below. FeedOtter makes it easy to tweak these. So let's go in and let's quickly change the CTA to download. And that's it. We've created an email full of web page content in just a matter of minutes. At this point, you can test the email by sending yourself a quick copy of it. You can also get a shareable link that will allow you to send your colleagues and friends an example of what this email will look like so they can take a look at it and send you feedback. Or, and when you're ready, you can publish this email directly to your HubSpot account to make it available for sending. You can then open HubSpot and view exactly where FeedOtter has created your new email. Looking at the live preview inside HubSpot, you can see the email looks perfect and all of your HubSpot merge fields, such as address and unsubscribe, populate as you would expect. FeedOtter's newsletter builder for HubSpot allows you to send and create newsletters full of web page content in minutes versus the time it takes you to copy and paste all of the images, titles, and description text that you might have to do in order to create a newsletter that looks just like this. Remember, we can bookmark any web page and instantly drag and drop it onto this email, and then with one click, publish it to HubSpot for sending. We hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or would like more information about using the newsletter builder for HubSpot, please reach out to FeedOtter by clicking one of the links on our website.